guys, it's me Rose, and today I'm here at the IQT Studios and I'll be showing you how to make cupcakes. Okay, what you'll need is a bowl, a whisk, some measuring spoons, a measuring cup, a cupcake tray, an icing bag. That is if you want your cupcakes to be iced. Next, you'll need some flour. Mine is already pre-sifted by the crew. You'll need sugar, salt, baking powder, eggs, milk, butter, and vanilla. Okay, let's get started. First, pour your flour into your bowl. Mine is pre-sifted by the crew, so I'd recommend sifting yours. Next, add in your sugar, a pinch of salt, and a bit of baking soda. Now mix it well. Now I'm cracking my eggs into a separate bowl and mixing them before slowly pouring them into my bowl. Now pour in your milk and mix it to make a batter. Add in your butter and a bit of vanilla. Okay, now butter your tray and pour in your batter. Okay, I'm done with all the mixing and making messes, and it's time to put the tray in the oven. You should preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now that my cupcakes have been baked, I'm going to decorate them. I'm using store-bought frosting to decorate mine. And to get into the Christmas spirit, I'm using red and green. Now let's decorate. First, open your packet and put your icing into your icing bag. Remove the excess and now decorate. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how my cupcakes turned out. Well, that was it for today. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Bye!